basically on my way to Cole's place. He literally ordered 2 bags, one for his mom and one for his friend. Talk about friends that are supportive. I mean, anyway, I'm just about to deliver this to his house. In the last vlog I posted, if you wanted to see me do any video with Cole, make sure you tell me. So you're going to be seeing Cole on my channel again. Thank you so much for the love in my last vlog, and let's go see Cole.
No.
Oh, sorry, eh?
Why are you telling me sorry? I'm sick. She wants to kill me.
Damn, you look so black. Turn like this. Nah. So I ended up being at the mechanic's place to check out a few things for my car. I came here alone, guys. Everybody in my house feels like I spend the whole day at the mechanic whenever I have issues in my car. So I spent like about 1 hour at this place this day. I was so excited because I did not plan on staying at the mechanic, and I didn't have to cook iftar that day, so I was just a little bit indifferent, but I was excited. I didn't spend the whole day. Hi guys, good evening. So we're basically going for iftar. We're going to Cilantro. That's one of our favorite places to go to together. So
we love it there.
We are going to Cilantro. I'm going to be showing you guys whatever we're going to order and how it's going to be basically. But I know definitely we're going to have naan bread because that's one of the favorite things to order whenever we go to Cilantro. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned and let's go to Cilantro. And we're trying new things still. We'll try new things, whatever fits the person's budget that is paying. It will be interesting. Mama can't Eco Bank the GT Bank anything. Mama does any bank in the card in it's going to be interesting. When the waiter she can say using ish. To she can anger never the card in I've confessed and I don't have any other thing to do. I don't have my card here and Adnan Zaka card in car. Yes, and a black card in what? Definitely. Oh my god.
I want to say Shabu.
Finished cleaning up. Guys, are you even in an African home if you don't have food warmers on top of your counters? Like, it's almost like a norm in Nigeria, in an African home, I guess. Anyway guys, I just finished cleaning up. Today we are making shawarma. I'm going to go ahead and shop. I don't think there's chicken breast in particular, so I'll just get a whole chicken and take out the breast. was making her order, I said let's show you guys. In here we have chicken, all of the spices. I'm showing you guys scotch bonnet, onions, and the secret spice that I didn't show you guys here. It's granite paste. So that is what gives this chicken like a really nice taste, guys. Make sure you add granite paste whenever you want to grill your chicken. And these are chicken wings, and you can use other parts of your chicken if you want. Let it marinate for a few minutes or hours depending on the time you have. Then we're going to be using the halogen oven to grill it. This takes like about 20-25 minutes to grill. Look at how good it looks. And guys, I believe we finished this whole wings at a sitting a whole day. Yeah. For our shawarma, I am basically using the chicken breast I took out from the whole chicken that you guys saw. I'm just going to be cutting it into stripes or cubes depending on how you want it. I'm just going to be cutting it into stripes. Then for my marinade, I am going to be using yogurt, lemon juice. This could be sweetened or unsweetened, to be honest, or Greek yogurt, whatever you have. Then I'm adding my spices, usually all the spices I literally show you guys in my vlogs. And I'm going to be adding Knorr cube. Then I'm going to be adding my chicken into the whole marinade and let it sit for as long as you have, like the amount of time you have. Next, I'm going to be cutting my cabbage. I'm going to be grating my carrots as well. I don't think I have a video of that, but normal cutting of cabbage and grating of carrot, guys. Then for my sauce, I am going to be using ketchup, garlic powder, mayonnaise, lemon juice, sugar. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to be adding oil into the pan. I don't have time, guys, or I did not have time rather, so I did not even wait for the oil to be hot. But whatever time you have, do as you please. I'm going to be frying my sausages. I'll be sauteing. Then I'm going to add my chicken to the pan and saute. So this step, I really didn't let the chicken have so much juice, and I feel like if I added a little bit of water to that pan, it would have made the chicken more juicy, you know. And if I added spices, but at this time I really didn't have so much time. Just showing you guys how I placed everything in order. This was my sister's order, hence why I was rushing. She was leaving already and I needed to record. For mine, I decided to add a few grilled chicken from the chicken I had left over. I added the chicken, I added more sauce, and this was so yummy. Just place it on a pan, let it heat for a few hours. If you have a griller, do that. And yeah, that was it. This tasted really good, guys. I feel like if I have more time, I would do another. Next, I have this leftover rice, and I decided to transform it to this This tasted really good. Like, I didn't record it, but it tasted really good. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye.